Hello guys, so today I have a Nilight Pro, so it's a light bar, it's a 30 inches light bar, and they have like any other sizes also, but I got this, like this one is for my bumper on a excursion that I have a swap the front end from to 2015 year. So it's 1400, no, it's 14,000. It's lumens. It's a combo with the flood and the spot. So it have like a, I think it's like 5-year warranty or something. So it's pretty good. So this light comes without the like wiring, but come with the like hardware. But here is just a wiring kit. So here is the light. Comes with packaging. And here is the hardware. Couple of wrenches, bolts and nuts, lots of tools. There is a few different mounts. So this one is for your sides, right here. Oh, here you go. So this is gonna be with this ones. I got to check it out, because with these ones that you can mount anywhere, because they actually slide. So it looks like you put. Okay, so this is how it should looks like. So this is the bolt, and it turning here, but when it's up, there is no way that it will turn. We can slide it to perfect place, and you can install it either this way or this way. So if this way, so it looks like just normal light, but when it's hanging, so it's like from the top. And this is what I have on my setup. So we need a bolt, this kind of bolt with this kind of a washer, and this kind of a nut. So this kind of a nut goes inside there, and then don't do my mistake. I didn't put this bolt. So this bolt, and we're flipping around, and this bolt, and let's find a way. Perfect. So that's how easy it was to get this angle. So I have a Ford. It's a excursion with the front end swap. Outside is so bright, so sorry guys. Before I had a light bar here, but it's gone. It's gone. So I will put this one in the places where the front license plate goes. So it should go right here. So with those ones, they're adjustables. So more up, more bottom. There is a way. There's alien range, so you can tie it from the back very easy. So let's go ahead and tie it. Okay, so this is our setup right here. So let's go ahead and do our first. So see how it's movable. So I'll do our first. So basically what I'm doing, putting the regular washer, Loctite washer, and then nut, and tied it all. This is what I'm trying to do there. Okay, so first bolt is done. Let's go ahead, move it where we need to be, and let's work with the second bolt right here. So for this job we're gonna have a 1.5 socket. So hand tight until you can. And let's go ahead and tie it, begin to tie it. Okay, so one over this side. Let's move. So right now, what we can do, we can play up and down. So let's go ahead and tie the top mount. Okay, top mount is good. Okay, top mount is good, and you can go up and down. So with the kit, it's only this thing. Usually they bend it like 90 degrees, so but this is what I got. It's kind of weird, but okay. But I found in my drawer like this one, and we can just tie it. Let's pick an angle. Best thing is to do it at night time, and then just go ahead. I'll just eyeball it, just like so, and just like so. Okay, so it looks really good. Oh, yeah, looks really good. Let's go ahead and do the wiring. So it even says red is plus, black is minus. Let's get our kit, wiring kit, or if you already have a kit installed or you want to hook to your fog lights, just go ahead and okay. So what is inside the packaging? Yeah, when it's brand new, there is a packaging. It's like all nice and tacky. With the kit, so here is the button. Looks like everything is pre-wired. Okay, and nice light bar switch right here. Oops. Okay, so we got a manual. It's gonna be a straightforward job, pretty easy. So here how it looks like. Looking straightforward, or you can connect one of those ways, but I'll just connect the easy way. You can do like multiple or just one. So let's go ahead and install the wiring. And what we got here, relay. The relay is always important. So this side with the big loops go into your battery, minus black, plus it's black. Let's see if it have a fuse. No fuse. Fuse is with the package. Oh no, the fuse is actually here. I think I pulled it way too hard, so I'll put it back, just like so. Tight. Okay. Going. This thing goes to battery, and from battery there is a wiring. So with this kit you can actually hook two. You can hook, like, I think it's made for the fog lights, or you can cut it down and made for one light bar, or you can hook two light bars. Or sky is the limit, guys. Sky is the limit. So I will use just one set of wires, and the other one I'll just tape it, and I might use for something else. Yeah, maybe, you know, those spotlights that goes on the hood. Okay, so here's our relay. There is a plus and minus. Plus is red, minus is black. So let's get the minus first. And then I will do the plus. So for the plus we're using a 10mm. Okay, so battery is connected, so one end goes inside and the other one I fish like right to the wiring for the light bar. And let's go there. So for the wiring, red goes to red, black goes to black. Just like so. Just like so. Let's test it. Ta-da! Looking good. Looking good. So first test is going to be a low beam and a fog light. the low beam and headlight. Let's turn on the low beam headlight and the light bar. Let's turn off low beams and fog lights. This is just blink of the. So this is going to be a high beam. So now it's going to be a high beam. So this is when its light bar is on, this when the light bar is off. So let's check it out. On, off. Let's have a test drive. Okay, let's start our test drive. This is with the light bar. No lights at all. Light bar is off. Light bar is on. Headlights. Light bar is off. So you can see that it should pretty far. So this is not even the full blast because it's kind of pointing down, but if you make it, rearrange it a little bit, it will be even better view. But I like it just like so. So where there's a spot, so it's spot where it's supposed to be. Can you do the focus? Here we go.